Everyone will be jealous after seeing this, but I will still show you the truth. Actually, this man was standing under that waterfall from which gold flows along with the water. But getting that gold was not easy. So he took his first step on the path to wealth and started collecting the soil that came down with the water. He put it all into a large round bowl and, following the old tradition, began swirling it in the water. But he had no idea that while spinning the bowl, his luck would also start to turn. Before we go further, thanks to everyone who showed love for fathers in the last video. But today, let us see who will like and subscribe for their loving mother, and those with hearts of stone have no place here. Fill the comments with this emoji for that innocent mother. In the end, he finally extracted pure gold from the soil.